Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Today we're talking about some of the best summer products on Amazon. And you guys, when I think of summer, I definitely think of baseball, softball, t-ball, all of that good stuff. And this is the original Tanner tee. You guys, Tanner Tees makes the best tees out of everyone. They are the original, they are the best. What makes them different is that they use a hand-rolled patented rubber top, and what this is going to do is make sure that your batter is actually making contact with the ball and not the tee. This allows for a much more natural batting experience, and this is the tee that is going to be used by anyone that is very serious about the game, serious about the sport. It's going to be used by more of your travel ball teams, more of your college athletes, more of your athletes that are going to go pro. This is what they're using. So elevate your game, get the best. They have been doing this for over 25 years. They make the best of the best. They know what they are talking about. It is crazy high quality. It's gonna last for a very long time, and they back it up with a 1-year warranty. So you guys, get the best, get out there, get practicing, enjoy time with your family, time with your friends, enjoy some time outdoors, moving your body. You are gonna be really glad that you did. Go ahead and put this in your cart.